Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the top products that are making waves in the market. Today, we're bringing you something special, our countdown of the best-selling device servers on Amazon. These are the devices that are not just popular but essential for anyone serious about connectivity and network management. In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, it's crucial to know which products stand out from the rest. That's why we've scoured the market to find the device servers that are not just bestsellers, but game changers. From seamless connectivity to robust performance, these devices have it all. So without further ado, let's get into it. Presenting number 5 on our countdown, the DG International 70001851 Ethernet Device Server, a compact powerhouse that redefines connectivity. Imagine a device so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet it's packed with patented DG RealPort technology, giving you seamless integration over your network. This isn't just any desktop device server. This is innovation in a 65-gram package. With a form factor so precise, just 0.9 inches deep, 1.7 inches wide, and less than an inch high, it blends into your workspace effortlessly. But don't let its size fool you. The DG1 SP is engineered for power. Capable of 230 kilobits per second, it provides reliable, high-speed communication, whether you're managing a single device or a complex system of connected machines. It's the quiet workhorse in your network, doing its job without fanfare, but with unparalleled efficiency. TCP/UDP socket services ensure your data flows smoothly, securely, and quickly across your network, while the rear mount power supply makes it convenient to set up in any environment. This device isn't just about function, it's about flawless execution, whether you're in a bustling office or an industrial setting. When you need a device server that combines simplicity with cutting-edge technology, the DG International 70001851 stands ready. It's not just another product, it's the backbone of your digital communication, quietly ensuring that everything runs like clockwork. This is more than just a tool. It's a critical component of your network's success. At number 4 on our list, we introduce the DSC855 USB to Ethernet communications device, a marvel of British engineering and a game changer in network connectivity. This isn't just an adapter, it's a bridge between worlds, turning a simple USB port into a powerful Ethernet connection. Picture this: a sleek device, crafted with precision, designed to make complex network configurations feel effortless. With its inbuilt web server, the DSC855 transforms how you manage your devices. No complicated software installs, no endless configurations. Just open your web browser, and you're in control. And it doesn't stop there. This device brings Modbus TCP support right to your Ethernet connection, offering you the ability to remotely control and monitor all connected modules with the ease of a few clicks. Whether you're optimizing industrial processes or managing a network of devices, this level of control is nothing short of revolutionary. The DSE855 isn't just about adding another port to your system. It's about expanding possibilities. It's a tool that simplifies your network, making it smarter, more efficient, and infinitely more manageable. From its simple internet browser configuration to its robust remote control capabilities, this device is the embodiment of convenience meeting cutting-edge technology. Made in the UK, the DSE855 reflects a commitment to quality and innovation. It's more than just a converter. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of your network, a small device with a monumental impact. At number 3, we present the MOXA NPort 5450, a device server that redefines versatility and resilience in network connectivity. This isn't just a server, it's a 4-port powerhouse, built to handle the most demanding environments with ease. Imagine a device that combines power with simplicity, and you're looking at the NPort 5450. With its user-friendly LCD panel, installation becomes a breeze. No guesswork, no frustration, just straightforward, intuitive setup that gets you up and running in no time. But simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing power. This device is armed with adjustable termination and pull high-low resistors, giving you control over your network stability and performance. Whether you're in a small office or a sprawling industrial complex, the NPort 5450 adapts to your needs. Connectivity is the heart of this device. With socket modes that include TCP server, TCP client, and UDP, it seamlessly integrates into any network setup. And when it comes to configuration, you have options: Telnet, web browser, or a Windows utility, each offering flexibility and control tailored to your preferences. Security and reliability are paramount, and MOXA knows this. With 15 kV ESD protection, your connections are safeguarded against electrical surges, ensuring uninterrupted service. Plus, with SNMP MIB2 support, network management becomes efficient and effortless. The MOXA NPort 5450 isn't just a device server, it's a robust solution, meticulously designed to meet the challenges of today's connected world. With its 110V adapter included, it's ready to be deployed wherever you need it, making network management not just possible, but downright seamless. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling device servers on Amazon? Well, don't let your connection drop. Give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap that bell icon to stay wired into all our future content. At number 2 in our countdown, we present the StarTech.com NPort RS232 to Ethernet IP converter, a device server that transforms connectivity into a seamless, powerful experience. This isn't just about converting signals. It's about unlocking a new level of remote control and management for your network. Imagine having the power to configure and manage your RS232 DB9 serial devices from anywhere over an IP network. With this device server, that's not just possible, it's effortless. Whether you're an IT professional or a network administrator, this tool puts control right at your fingertips, bridging the gap between serial devices and modern IP networks. Crafted with a robust aluminum housing, the StarTech.com IP converter isn't just built to perform, it's built to last. Versatile enough to mount on any surface or DIN rail, this device is designed to fit into your setup, no matter the environment. Reliability and durability are at its core, ensuring it stands up to the demands of even the most challenging installations. Compatibility? It's got you covered. With support for serial device application software on both iOS and Android, plus Telnet for OS-independent communication, this device offers flexibility like no other. Configure it with ease using the software utility on Windows or simply through a web browser. It's all about giving you options. When it comes to technical specs, this device doesn't disappoint. With support for a maximum baud rate of 230.4 kilobits per second, compliance with IEEE 802.3 and 802, 3U standards, and compatibility with 10/100 megabits per second networks, it's ready to handle your data demands. Plus, with auto MDIX and support for 9K jumbo frames, efficiency is a given. Designed for IT professionals and backed by a 2-year warranty along with lifetime 24/5 multilingual technical assistance, the StarTech.com NPort RS232 to Ethernet IP converter isn't just a tool. It's the ultimate choice for those who demand the best in serial to IP connectivity. And now, claiming the top spot in our countdown of best-selling device servers on Amazon, we have the MOXA NPort 5110. This device may be small in size, but its impact on your network is anything but small. Designed for those who demand reliability and simplicity, this one-port serial device server delivers robust performance in a compact form. Let's start with its size: small, discreet, and engineered for easy installation. Whether you're working with limited space or just need something unobtrusive, the NPort 5110 fits right in, proving that great things do come in small packages. But don't be fooled by its size. Inside, it's packed with power. With Real COM and TTY drivers for Windows, Linux, and macOS, this device seamlessly integrates into your existing infrastructure, making it a versatile choice for any environment. Whether you're working on a Windows machine or a macOS system, this device has you covered. The NPort 5110 isn't just about connecting devices, it's about enhancing communication. With its standard TCP/IP interface and versatile operation modes, you can count on consistent, reliable performance across the board. It's designed to handle the demands of modern networks, ensuring your data gets where it needs to go, quickly and efficiently. Configuration is a breeze, thanks to the easy-to-use Windows utility. Whether you're managing a single server or configuring multiple device servers, this tool simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. And with SNMP MIB2 for network management, monitoring and maintaining your network becomes almost effortless. The MOXA NPort 5110 is more than just the #1 device server. It's the cornerstone of connectivity. It combines ease of use, versatility, and powerful performance in a package that's as reliable as it is compact. When you need a device that works as hard as you do, the NPort 5110 is the answer. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling device servers on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling items we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.